Welcome to the Level 3 experience. Today, you'll be working on a multi-employer site installing a new outdoor light for a 2-story commercial building. Let's start by looking at the types of ladders available. Ladders come in many different types and sizes. Portable ladders can be easily moved or carried as needed and must be properly positioned when they are in use. For instance, before using a stepladder, you must ensure its spreaders are fully locked to support the open position. Portable ladders differ from fixed ladders, which are attached to buildings, equipment, or structures. This lesson will focus on portable ladder types. We can categorize portable ladders into 2 groups: self-supporting ladders and non-self-supporting ladders. Self-supporting ladders stand independently without leaning against or being secured to an outside structure, while non-self-supporting ladders must be leaned against a support and used at an angle. When leaning the ladder against a wall or support, make sure the base of the ladder extends approximately 1 foot for every 4 feet of height between the surface and point of contact. Examples of self-supporting ladders include step stools, step ladders, trestle ladders, and double front ladders. Single, sectional, and extension ladders are some examples of non-self-supporting ladders. There are many things to consider when choosing the right ladder for the job. Some of these considerations include the environment, the ladder's material and size, and the working load. The ladder must be of sufficient height for the target work zone, which prevents workers from overreaching and risking a fall. You must also check the physical environment for electrical hazards, debris, and unstable or slick surfaces. Because ladders are typically made from either wood, fiberglass, or aluminum, non-conductivity and weight are 2 important factors in choosing your ladder. A ladder's duty rating determines its maximum safe load capacity, which considers the weight of the user plus additional tools, materials, and PPE. OSHA requires each ladder to be inspected before the work shift and as needed, particularly if a fall or other incident impacts its safe use. To visually inspect your ladder, look for loose or missing hardware, bent or broken rungs, cleats or steps, split side rails, worn anti-slip pads, sharp edges and corrosion, and illegible or missing identification labels. Defective or damaged ladders must be immediately removed from service and tagged "Do Not Use." There are several ladders on the work site that you can use to perform the task. Using your mouse cursor, click on the blue arrows in the center of your screen to scroll through the various types of ladders. To choose your ladder, click on the Select button below. Sorry, that's not correct. A non-conductive ladder is a better choice when there is a risk of exposure to energized lines or equipment. Please try again. Sorry, that's not correct. According to OSHA regulations, workers cannot use the top or top step of a step ladder as a step. This ladder is not tall enough for the job. Please select a ladder that will allow you to reach the target work zone safely. Great choice! This ladder is the best fit for the job based on its style, height, and material. Its duty rating is also sufficiently strong to support the worker's weight, PPE, and equipment. Inspect each area to confirm that the ladder is in good working condition without any visible defects or damage. Click on each of the circular icons to inspect a section. You can revisit the section by clicking on the same icon. Click the Submit Inspection button at the bottom of your screen when you're ready to pass or reject the ladder. Now that we have our ladder properly set up against the commercial building, let's begin climbing so that we can complete our task. Oh no! The ladder you inspected had a cracked rung. You should not use ladders with broken or missing steps, rungs, or cleats. Click on Retry to try again, or if you would like to exit, please take a... Now that we have our ladder properly set up against the commercial building, let's begin climbing so that we can complete our task. Unfortunately, you missed some small cracks in the ladder's fiberglass during the inspection. The ladder has given way. Click on Retry to try again. Now that we have our ladder properly set up against the commercial building, let's begin climbing so that we can complete our task. Unfortunately, this ladder's shoe assembly was missing one of its rubber anti-slip pads, causing the ladder to slip out from the floor and fall. Click on Retry. Now that we have our ladder properly set up against the commercial building, let's begin climbing so that we can complete our task. Oh no! This ladder had missing or damaged extension locks, causing the top section of the extension ladder to fall. Always confirm that these locks are fully engaged and seated over the rung. Click on Retry to try again, or if you would like to... Now that we have our ladder properly set up against the commercial building, let's begin climbing so that we can complete our task. Congratulations! We were able to successfully reach the height needed to perform our task using this extension ladder. You have completed the Level 3 portable ladder.